how do you find a CEO like that? And what do you pay that person?
I hired my CEO. I overhired my COO position. I overhired for. And so the man that I hired had impressive experience. He had been in leadership roles, including CEO roles for complicated healthcare businesses in the past, didn't know the nuances of my industry. I brought him on as my number two. I spent a year or so with him side by side every day, taught him as much as I possibly could, and developed a succession plan that he would then, once he had the nuance down and the timing was right, that he would fill my seat and that I would step up to executive chairman. And so, but I mean, he came, I think probably the most impressive job on his resume was he was the CEO of like a $2 billion publicly traded dialysis business.
Oh, wow.
And so the one thing that I did do that I would recommend anyone who's growing a business is I created an equity pool, of a management equity pool, structured them as profit interest units, which is an interesting structure to let people to participate in the growth and value creation of the business. And then I gave each one of these executives in this leadership team different sizes of profit interest units and got them all aligned